Finding peace and clarity is a luxury in this quickly evolving world. However, mindfulness offers a powerful solution to the chaos of modern life. Mindfulness involves being wholly attentive and conscious of the present moment without judgment. It requires focusing on your thoughts, emotions, and environment with purpose and openness. Within contemporary wellness, mindfulness is essential for enhancing mental, emotional, and physical health. Mindfulness in daily routines reduces stress and anxiety while enhancing focus and concentration. Studies have demonstrated that mindfulness can positively affect our overall health and well-being. Furthermore, practicing mindfulness can enable us to develop a deeper understanding of ourselves and foster compassion towards ourselves and others. Incorporating mindfulness techniques into our daily schedules can assist people in gracefully and resiliently managing the difficulties of contemporary life. By adopting mindfulness, we can access the potential of the current moment and improve our general state of being. Understanding mindfulness. Mindfulness has its roots in ancient traditions such as meditation. It's all about being fully present and engaged in the here and now. By non-judgmentally acknowledging thoughts and emotions, mindfulness enables individuals to heighten their self-awareness of internal experiences. In modern wellness, mindfulness is a powerful tool for enhancing mental clarity, emotional well-being, and overall health. By practicing mindfulness, individuals can develop greater self-awareness and emotional regulation. This heightened awareness enables individuals to respond to stressors with greater resilience and adaptability, improving mental well-being. Practicing mindfulness has been associated with a decrease in anxiety and depression symptoms, potentially leading to a more stable emotional state. Discover the power of mindfulness techniques, including deep breathing exercises, body scans, and mindful movement practices like yoga or Tai Chi. These techniques help individuals anchor themselves in the present moment, fostering a sense of calm and relaxation. By incorporating these mindfulness practices into daily routines, individuals can experience profound mental, emotional, and physical benefits. Mindfulness in daily life. Integrating mindfulness into everyday routines and activities can transform mundane tasks into opportunities for presence and awareness. Eating, walking, or working. Mindfulness has the potential to improve the quality of our experiences and foster a feeling of tranquility and concentration in our everyday lives. For instance, imagine you're having a meal. Try to savor each bite instead of mindlessly gobbling it down, paying attention to the flavors, textures, and sensations. This practice of mindful eating not only enhances the enjoyment of food but also fosters a deeper connection to our bodies and the act of nourishing ourselves. Similarly, when walking or working, try to be fully present in the moment, noticing the sensations in your body or the sounds around you. Staying grounded, reducing stress, and boosting productivity can all be facilitated. It is empowering to know that creating mindful moments amidst busy schedules and distractions is as simple as carving out small pockets of time for mindfulness practice. Incorporating mindfulness into daily routines will have a positive impact. Taking deep breaths before starting a task or scheduling a short meditation break is essential. Starting with small steps and gradually integrating mindfulness will lead to significant results. Benefits of mindfulness. Adopting a mindfulness practice can yield many advantages for modern generation wellness, impacting various aspects of our lives profoundly. From stress reduction to enhanced focus and resilience, the positive effects of mindfulness are far-reaching and transformative. Mindfulness reduces stress and promotes relaxation, making it easier to handle challenges. It improves focus, productivity, and resilience, helping individuals bounce back from setbacks. In addition to these benefits, mindfulness can improve relationships by fostering better communication and empathy, enhance creativity by expanding awareness and perspective, and sharpen decision-making skills by promoting clarity and discernment. The scientific findings that support the positive impact of mindfulness on brain health, which show changes in brain structure and function, are genuinely intriguing. Embracing mindfulness as a regular practice can contribute to a more balanced, fulfilling, and resilient life in today's rapidly changing world, inspiring individuals to discover its potential. Mindfulness techniques. Incorporating mindfulness into your daily routines can significantly impact your overall well-being and mental clarity. Mindfulness methods can be incorporated into everyday life to develop a feeling of being present and attentive. Frequently used mindfulness exercises comprise mindful breathing, body scan meditation, and loving kindness meditation. Mindful breathing requires concentrating on your breath to direct awareness to the current moment. Body scan meditation systematically scans the body for sensations, promoting relaxation and body awareness. Loving kindness meditation nurtures feelings of compassion and kindness towards oneself and others, promoting emotional well-being. This powerful practice is a great way to cultivate emotional well-being by fostering compassion and kindness towards oneself and others. To start a mindfulness practice and maintain consistency, it's essential to set aside dedicated time each day for practice, even if it's just a few minutes. Experimenting with different techniques can help individuals find what resonates best with them and tailor their training to suit their needs. By exploring various mindfulness techniques and committing to regular practice, individuals can experience the profound benefits of mindfulness in their daily lives. Challenges and solutions. When embarking on a mindfulness practice, individuals may encounter common obstacles that hinder their ability to stay present and cultivate awareness. Challenges such as racing thoughts, a perceived lack of time, and discomfort with stillness can impede progress in mindfulness practice. However, practical solutions exist to overcome these barriers and establish a sustainable mindfulness routine. To address racing thoughts, individuals can practice gentle redirection by acknowledging them without judgment and gently guiding their focus back to the present moment. Daily reminders can help carve out dedicated time for mindfulness practice, even amid a busy schedule. Joining mindfulness groups or seeking guidance from a teacher can provide support and accountability, fostering a sense of community and shared learning. Moreover, practicing self-compassion and patience is essential when facing initial discomfort with stillness or distractions during meditation. Individuals can gradually build resilience and deepen their mindfulness practice by acknowledging these challenges with kindness and understanding. This journey towards greater well-being and presence is possible. It holds the potential for profound transformation, inspiring viewers to persist in their mindfulness journey. Incorporating mindfulness in technology. The role of technology in everyday life is significant, and its potential to promote mindfulness is increasingly recognized as an essential aspect of contemporary well-being. Technology offers many tools to support and enhance mindfulness practices, from mindfulness apps to wearable devices and online resources. Mindfulness apps like Headspace, Calm, and Insight Timer provide guided meditations, breathing exercises, and mindfulness tools accessible anytime, anywhere. Online resources like mindfulness websites, podcasts, and virtual courses help individuals enhance their mindfulness practice. While promoting mindfulness, technology can be a powerful tool, but it has limitations. When incorporating technology into mindfulness practices, consider the potential for distractions, over-reliance on devices, and the risk of disconnecting from the present moment. Encouraging a balanced approach to integrating technology with traditional mindfulness practices can help individuals leverage the benefits of both worlds for a more holistic and sustainable wellness routine. In conclusion, mindfulness is essential for promoting well-being and resilience in the modern generation. Mindfulness can improve mental clarity, emotional well-being, and overall quality of life. Incorporating mindfulness into daily routines can reduce stress, improve focus, improve relationships, and enhance decision-making skills. Recognizing mindfulness's transformative potential and taking proactive steps to integrate mindfulness into daily life is essential. Viewers can embark on a journey towards more significant presence and awareness by setting aside time for mindfulness practice, exploring different techniques, and seeking support from mindfulness communities. To continue learning about mindfulness and stay motivated on this path, remember to subscribe for more content on mindfulness and share this video with others who may benefit from incorporating mindfulness into their lives. Together, let's embrace the power of mindfulness and cultivate a more mindful and fulfilling existence.